Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Mitsubishi Outlander 2018. I think 2.3 engine. However, basically I'll remove the cover, just visually inspect any oil leaking from the boost pipe. That's a common problem for the Outlanders. But however, this pipe I can see nice and dry. No any oil leaking. That's mean no any. Split that pipe and check the oil level. Oil level exactly correct level to the maximum, no any excess oil, right? However, this vehicle came to me limp mode, non-starting, and I think this car went to the couple of garages, but however I don't have any clear record, but I'll ask the customer, because when I start the car it start and cut off. No any faulty code, no any warning light at the dashboard. I couldn't find anything. Then after that I contact the customer again, and customer send the another scan code. He said one of his friend done the diagnostic and reset the light. That's why I couldn't find anything. It say P244A and the no any DTC description, because of the this is very cheap scanner. However, I'm going to say this time, if someone doesn't know the job, better to not to touch the car, because if someone touch the car and come like that, then we have to struggle a lot to find the problem and go ahead. But at the moment I don't have any clue. However, first of all I'm going to take a data reading if I can. Even I'm not sure, because the car not starting, car at the limp mode, then I'm not sure. At least if we can running like a couple of minutes, I'm happy. But I don't know, they said car start and cut off even. I'm not sure. However, I'm going to take a computer data. I'm going to select all DPF pressure minus at the moment, because I didn't start the car. Right. However, I'm going to start the car. We'll see how it's going on. It's starting. No. However, DPF pressure bit high at the moment. See, this cut off at the moment. I'm not worried anything for the computer at the moment. I can't get more information from the computer because it's very limp mode. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove pressure sensor. This is the pressure sensor located here. When you come into this side, you can see underneath here, close to the engine bay side one. That's exactly we are looking. That's before the DPF. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to using like this plier, hold the thing, put down and wiggle use the pressure for the down. That's what I'm going to do now. Right, it's out now. too much pressure, no? I'm going to take a DPF pressure. This is before the DPF. I already connected to my manometer. We'll see how is the pressure for the idle and how is the pressure for the once I rave it 2500 rpm. I have a doubt it won't able to rave until 2500 rpm. However, we'll see how it's going on. This is normal idle. It's leaking, no? Now I can hear it's leaking. Yeah, see, too much pressure. Even we can't take a 2500 rpm. It's like a big joke. Right, next step, I don't have any option. I'm going to remove the filter and install to machine and clean it. We managed to remove the DPF. It gave a bit hard time, but we had to drop down subframe. Yeah, we had to drop down the subframe and remove from underneath. Then after that, install to the DPF machine and do the cleaning process. You saw it's already clean. Now, yeah, now it's doing blower process. Yeah, once it dry, after that I had to leave it outside overnight. Then tomorrow morning I'm going to install to the, not tomorrow morning actually, tomorrow afternoon or following day I'm going to do the reinstallation to the car and start the car. Yeah, if you in locally, if you want to clean the DPF, if you can remove it, bring it to me, then I'll do the job for you. Thank you. See you once I fix to the car. All back together, DPF back. Now we are going to check the manually pressure. Still pressure high for the idle. It's mean still somewhere block. I had to remove back of the exhaust and have a look what's going on there. Right, you all saw I clean the front DPF, put it to the machine. Then after that, even the that pressure when it's idle too high for me, then I decided to remove rear exhaust. I already removed the exhaust. Then I got the answer. This is rear exhaust. This front section called mini DPF. You can see inside all broken. This piece blocked the air lines. That's why the all causing the problem. However, this inside damage, then I can't reuse. If I reuse, the exhaust flow not going to sufficient. Because of that, we need to replace rear section. Also, once I remove the temperature sensor in here, I'll show you that one also melted. This is temperature sensor. You can see the tip all melted. Maybe this problem ongoing so long, that's why the could be see the tip all melted and bent. Right, at the moment I'm going to stop from here. Wherever we know exactly problem now, then I contact customer and come back to you. If customer happy to do replacing, then I'll do the video. I don't know, because this one going to be massive expensive. Thank you. See you with the next video.